Hello, I'm Lisa Palthorpe, National Manager, Early Learning Capability. In this short video, I'm going to talk to you about the P in iSTEP, which refers to planning, documentation and evaluation of children's learning and development. Planning is the backbone for optimal early learning. The planning, documentation and evaluation cycle is of course a requirement in the National Quality Standard. When educators are intentional, purposeful and thoughtful in their decisions and actions, they are able to make professional judgments and have an active role in facilitating children's learning. Planning for inclusive learning environments and specific learning experiences is a key component of iSTEP. Evidence tells us when young children are brought together in a group in any space, they are likely to play with and learn from each other. When educators organise and deliberately plan the learning environment, including interactions, space, time and experiences, learning is amplified. Additionally, documentation of children's learning and development is both a platform for effective reciprocal communication and collaboration amongst educators and families, and input to planning learning experiences and of course day-to-day routines. Once again, it spans the iSTEP framework. When planning, educators apply 5 essentials: information gathering, questioning, planning for learning, acting, doing, and reviewing. Educators use these 5 essentials for planning specific learning experiences and as a way of thinking when making spontaneous program decisions during the course of the day and of course in designing the learning environment. The primary purpose of Good Start is to support children's early learning. Therefore, educators have the primary responsibility for assessing children's learning, to plan for further learning opportunities, be an actual learning experience for children, gather and analyse evidence about what children know, can do and understand. So how can you review learning experiences? And how can you use evaluation methods to identify practices you can improve? The Good Start Practice Guide suggests useful practices to try. For example, rather than focusing on what children are doing or the product of their action, focus on how they are interacting in the environment. When questioning data, think about using the Early Years Learning Framework and developmental milestones as references to help interpret the information and form questions about the what next. When acting, doing, provide children with support and resources to extend the experiences further. Explore different ways to document using learning stories, reflection journals or digital platforms. The Good Start Practice Guide and the iSTEP framework can help you to explore strategies that will be most effective for you and your context. The guide can help you in reflecting and reviewing on your professional practice, being planned and purposeful for children and assessing children's learning, and evaluating the programs. I'm planning to take a look right now. How about you?